Can you tell me type of magnets, Tony?
Yes.
Okay.
The shoe magnet.
Yeah, Hashi
And this
magnet.
ball magnet.
Okay.
And the powerful hurting magnet.
Okay.
What is today? What does it mean to smell? It's falling. It's spinning. See?
Tony, shall we make a car?
Yes.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Okay, mommy will see. Let's make a car. Light poles repel each other.
Can you show me how it does?
Yes. So this is under the same. This is north, east.
And light
This is
poles
south,
attract.
north, and north, south. South. See? If we want to make this here,
Tony, shall we make a racing car with magnets?
yes.
Let's go. We need all these things. A paper roll, bamboo screwers, straws, ball caps, some circle magnets, tape, scissors, and most important of all, toning. Make a hole in the paper roll
So
and insert the straw. Okay, Tony. Okay, the next step என்ன Tony?
is to add a wheel.
அந்த ஸ்டாக்ல இந்த குச்சை போடு. போட்டீங்களா ஸ்டாக்குள்ள? மேல வச்சு காட்டுங்க. இப்போ வீல் ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணணும், ஓகே? What are you doing, Tony, ma?
Wheels.
Making wheels? Oh, you are joining together with the tape. Good job. எத்தனை wheels இருக்கு நம்ம கிட்ட? How many we have now? So how many we have got?
3.
One more to go. Okay, finish it off. But you have to make a hole at the center of the wheels. Am I right? Can you make a hole?
Here and around it.
Tony, இது மூவ் ஆகுதா? வீல்ஸ்லாம் செக் பண்ணியா? இல்லை வீல்ஸ் சூப்பராக போகுதுல்ல? சரி மேக்னெட் ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணிடலாமா? ஓகே. சைடில் விட்டிருக்காங்க. ஓகே. சூப்பர்ல. மேக்னெட் ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? அடுத்து திருப்பி காட்டுங்க. ஓகே. என்ன தெரியுமா பண்ணுறோங்க? வீல்ஸை ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணுறோமா? பைப் கிளீனர்ஸ் வச்சு. தட்ஸ் a nice idea. ஆமாம். Tony, what is that?
It's the magnet green to pole, south pole.
Okay. Let's see how it goes.
Let me see.
Wow. Then shall we try this rectangle magnet? Is it working? Yeah, it's mild. to test your car?
Yes.
Okay. Here you go. Let's check with this circle magnet. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
No. Okay. Let's put a timer. Let's see how long it reaches from start point. Tony, start point to this end point. Sit here, Tony. Let's see. Do you have a timer?
Yes. Now.
Start pushing. The rule is you should cross this stop position. Ready? Yeah. Any more? 3, 2, 1. Go. And flat வச்சு பாரு வெர்டிகலா வச்சு பாரு. Oh. Done. It's 41 seconds.
Yes.
Now change the position of the magnet. Make it vertical. Let's see. Not like that. Okay, ready? Steady. Go. Let's see how it goes. Steady. Go. Don't touch the car. Let's see how it goes. Working or not. You have to check it out. This is the easiest one.
Going. The magnet. That is the magnet. The blue one there is it. Go the right. Okay, Tony, done. Oh my God.
Come on, Tony. இப்படி வச்சா ஏன் ஸ்லோ ஓரளவுக்கு ஃபாஸ்ட் இப்படி வச்சா ரொம்ப ஃபாஸ்ட் ஏன்னா இப்படி வச்சோம்னா இந்த ஃப்ரண்ட் இருக்குல்ல this is it's like a small rectangle. See, this is the only magnetic area, but if you keep it like this இங்க எவ்வளவு பெரிய rectangle இருக்கு பாரு, you get the whole area. So the bigger the magnetic area, the bigger the push or pull. Okay, சரியாடா?
Okay.
So all the best, Tony. Thank you very much for this experiment.